I'm so glad you found my channel, Sweet Uniquities, where everything I do here is always sweet and custom for an event, making it a true uniquity. Today I am taking something old and turning it into something new. Hope you enjoyed today's video. As you can see from this space, it's cute, but it's missing something. I just need a little something extra to make this say, autumn is here. I had an old picture from like 4 houses ago. I always liked it because I liked the frame, but the colors did not go with my new house, so I'm gonna repurpose it. I took some paint, I mixed it together to make kind of a creamy color, and I just painted the inside with a foam brush, and I left the frame as it was because I think it's so pretty as it is in the shade of the gold. And then I used a kind of a wadded up paper towel to remove some of the paint and then let that dry, and then I did another coat. I went online and I found a picture of a squirrel that I loved, and so I printed it off and I blew him up to be the right size that I needed for the center of the picture. I think he is so cute. A quick little tip to give you is when you are painting with a foam brush or a roller and you're gonna need to do a second coat, I take a damp paper towel and some saran and wrap it up really well, and then I throw it in the refrigerator so it is ready to go the next time I need to do the second coat for the project that I'm working on. It works so great, and I hope you'll try it. So I'm just cutting down the sides of my little squirrel picture so that he's perfect for the center of my picture frame. And then I'm going to do some decoupaging. But I realized when I set him on my picture that it was missing something. So I ran downstairs, grabbed some old burlap that I had. I cut it to fit like a little square, kind of to give him to give him a little matte background. And then I frayed the edges. I decoupaged that on first, and then I let that dry, and then I decoupaged Mr. Squirrel picture on top of that. So here I'm just using Mod Podge as my glue, and it worked great. I'm using matte because I didn't want it to be shiny. I just thought with the burlap it looked better with a matte background. So I'm using matte and just use a lot so that it sticks on, and then you let it dry. And here I'm just decoupaging, Mod Podging the squirrel picture on. And then when you're done, it is so cute. I think he turned out adorable. I didn't buy anything for this project. I had everything on hand. If you need to pick up some Mod Podge, you can get it at Walmart or craft stores or Amazon. So here is my picture completed. I think it was exactly what I needed for my space. What do you think? I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I would love it if you come back and see me on my next one. The best way to do that is to hit subscribe, and that way you don't miss any future content. So in the meantime, have a sweet and unique day. Have a wonderful autumn, everyone, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.